Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Oasis. Hello. If you're new to this experience, to this moment, to this phase, my name is Malcolm Soaries and this is my YouTube channel. I am doing all rainbow content for the month of June because it is Pride Month. This week is dedicated obviously to the color green, hence the safari, jungle, over the river and through the woods, George of the Jungle moment. The color green in the rainbow is technically a bright Kelly green if you want to be technical, but my favorite shade of green is olive green. I literally look like I'm in the woods. I really am giving you Indiana Jones realness. I love earth tones, I love Mother Earth, I love Mother Nature, I love poison ivy.
I am Mother Nature.
The irony of this whole situation is that I am not a nature girl. I don't go into the woods, I don't pitch tents. I only went camping as a kid, and that's because there were a lot of other boys going too. I am not a nature person, but I do like the color green. So olive green is the shade that I will be presenting and displaying. Since last week we did makeup, this week I thought it would be fun to do a fashion video. I'm going to be using a maxi shirt dress from boohoo.com and showing you how to style it 3 different ways. So here we go. The first look that I'm showing you, I actually technically cheated because I just wore the dress as a dress. In the image on boohoo.com, she paired it with sneakers. So the website image is showing you a way to make it casual. You can wear this with slip-on sneakers during the day. You can wear this with a loafer. You can wear this with flip-flops. It can be an easy daytime throw on, dress and go kind of moment. I paired this dress with a booty. Like I told you, booty, booty, booty. Booty rockin' everywhere. I also like how a booty goes with a maxi shirt dress. Because of those 2 slits on the side, it gives you just enough space to show the shoe. So if you are dressing it up for nighttime or an occasion and you want a heel, I would recommend a booty. But the point is, you can dress up this piece by adding a heel. The belt tie at the waist makes this piece super versatile. So if you do wear it as a dress, you have the cinch option, which I love to do. You can get that, cinch that waist in. That's what the belt is really for. The shirt dress is a trend that I see on a lot of brands and a lot of websites. They button all the way down. This dress in particular has 2 slits up the side, so I'm giving you a little leg action. Not as much leg as you're probably used to seeing from me, but it's fine. The second way you can style this shirt dress is actually by wearing it as a top. I paired this with some high-waisted black skinny jeans. I buttoned partially down. This basically makes the dress into a tunic type of top that's super long and dimensional. Again, you still have the option to use the belt at the waist if you want to cinch, but you can even just let the belt go. You can put shorts underneath it. You can put a trouser underneath it. Any type of bottom you can put underneath the dress if you style it as a top. I'm just not outdoorsy. A lot of my friends are, but it's just not my calling. I like air conditioning and room service. I don't even like eating outside. The third way I'm going to show you how to style this dress is as a duster. Another great feature of shirt dresses that button all the way down is that you can wear them open and put on an outfit underneath. This is what makes shirt dresses so versatile. I styled this look with a mock neck top and high-waisted ribbed green pants. The pants are also from Boohoo. I have the same booties on in every look, which also translate between the dress as the top, and now the dress as a duster. The booties are from justfab.com. Again, you can let that belt hang as an option. You can still tie it over the outfit, or you can let the belt go. You can wear it as a jacket. You can let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. I have a few pieces like this. They're super easy, they're super convertible. If I only had this one dress and I had to go to work, I had to go to a meeting, and I had to go to the club, I could make it work very easily. It's all about making it work, and that's on Tim Gunn.
Make it work.
A little secret about the outfit underneath, the green top with the mock neck is actually a dress. This is a really, really good tip. This might blow some of your minds, but some of you might already be doing this. If you have a dress that is knee length or mini length, it's harder to do with longer dresses. You can use dresses as tops, basically. You can put a pant over them, you can put jeans over them. I do it all the time. That's just another fun, versatile way to mix and match your pieces. All of these looks can also be dressed up or down. You can put sneakers with all of these looks. You can put a sandal with all of these looks, any type of heel. All of these looks are convertible from day to night. Those are my 3 looks and my 3 ways to style a shirt dress. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to everybody who's been supporting me on this YouTube journey. We have 2 more colors to go after green. We have blue and then we have purple. Thank you for watching, thank you for enjoying, thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing, thank you for loving. And also let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. I think that's all I have. Okay, well, that's it, I suppose. Happy Pride Month, everybody. Until the next video, until the next experience, until the next moment.